Hey everyone, in this quick video here I want to talk about how to back up and restore the htacess file using the all-in-one WP security plugin. So the first thing you want to do, head over to settings after you install and activate the plugin, and then see across the top here you click on htacess file, and from here you can just simply click that button to back it up, and it'll put a copy of the contents of it right in the root of your website in htacess_backup.txt file, so you can save that to your computer, and now you have a backup of your htacess file. And right near the bottom of this page here you'll see the entire contents of that file, so that's backed up, so that just in case anything gets messed up, we can restore that file. So now I'll go through the process of restoring it. You simply click on this button here, select your htacess file, and then it uses the WordPress media uploader, so we just click on select files, and we have to grab the same file that we had previously downloaded, which is right here. So I'll double click that and scroll to the bottom, click insert into post, and what that'll do is just put the entire path right in here, and then we click on restore htacess file. There, and now the message shows it was restored. Now in the event that we cannot access the dashboard to restore that file, all we have to do, we can go right through FTP. So let me minimize this here, and I'll show you I have the file here. Now we can restore, if we already have a backup, we can restore that file to the server through FTP, but first we have to rename it. So we'll go to, I'm going to open it up in TextPad. And let me close this here. One way to open it, I'm going to open the TextPad program first, and then I'll go to open, and I can open it that way. Either way. Now what I want to do now is click on File, Save As, and then I can make sure that, depends on the text editor, it might default at all files. If not, make sure it says all files, and then what we're going to do is call it htacess, but we're going to put a dot at the very front of the file, so .htacess. I click on save, and I can close this. Now I have this htacess file on my computer, so that needs to be uploaded to the root of the website in order to restore it. So I can open up File Manager, my FTP program, and then right in here I can overwrite that file with this one here. Now if I didn't have a fresh copy, of course I can log in and download a copy from here. And if I needed to modify this file for whatever reason, I can right click it and open with whatever text editor I'm working with, in this case TextPad, and if I wanted to remove all the firewall rules, because sometimes the firewall rules can conflict with some of the plugins that are installed on the website. So if that's the case, then all I have to do is log in. I'm open this file here, and I'm locate the begin all-in-one WP security line. So I can highlight that all the way down to, there's going to be an end all-in-one WP security right there. So I can click that. I can delete that section, so that I'm just left with the WordPress stuff, and then I just got to click on save, and then I can re-upload that file to the server and then overwrite it, and then none of the firewall rules will exist in there, and then that could help me regain access to my website if I wasn't able to access because of those rules. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.